how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a full Facebook profile picture without cropping. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on your profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in a profile section, just scroll down and just tap on your profile picture. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on the option labeled as choose profile picture. And now here on the next page, simply select the picture for your profile. Now here I'm going to simply select this one, and now here once you have selected the profile, just tap on save. And now here once you have uploaded your profile picture, you can simply tap on it to open the profile picture. And now here you can see that your entire photo has been uploaded without any cropping. And that's it. That's how you can upload a profile picture without cropping. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.